Today, I'm gonna teach you how to play music offline on Spotify. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is go to Spotify and then go to what it says your library. Here in your library, click the like songs. And for example, right here you want to play this song offline, but there's no download button here. So let's go back to your home page. So once you're done, tap the settings on the top right corner here, and then now scroll down. As you can see, there's no option to play or download music offline. There should be. So now what you have to do is scroll up and click this Go Premium icon. So here, subscribing on the Go Premium will allow you to download and play songs offline on Spotify. So that's basically how you play songs offline on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.